All right, here's the new back bay. It's huge. Huge, huge. Here's the Jeep, the Bentley, Corvette's at the house. Here's the Harley, Enduro. Marilyn Monroe wall. All the flooring got done. There's the desks. All the brand new lighting, LED, 5,000 lumens. It's my office. Cameras are put up. Another office. All set to go. Kitchenette area. Here's one bathroom. Another bathroom. Very spacious. There's an entranceway. Let's walk in. It's got Bland services on there. All the cameras got put up. There's Jess's desk. Chad's desk. Conference room. It's huge. Very cool.